Okay, students, good evening and welcome back. We are now going to discuss some very important reactions of the haloalkanes. We have already discussed nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now today we are going to talk about very important reaction. That reaction is elimination reaction. Elimination reaction. Students, is a very important reaction and question will be there in the exam on elimination reaction. Now, when I say elimination, students, it is very clear that there will be loss of some molecule. Elimination means what? There will be loss of some molecule. And in this case, if you are having haloalkanes, we are saying this is an example of beta elimination reaction. Why we call it beta, I will explain to you, students. This is called beta elimination reactions. Beta elimination reactions. What is that? You have this type of situation, student. This is my haloalkane. This is my haloalkane.
Yes,
ठीक
sir.
है? Here you can have hydrogen or anything, but this carbon to which halogen is attached is called alpha carbon, students. The carbon next to it, the carbon adjacent to it is called beta carbon. What do we call it? Alpha, beta. And if I have next to
Yes, sir.
carbon, alpha, beta, gamma, delta, and so on. In this case, we are saying there will be elimination. What elimination? We are saying there will be loss of H and X. There is going to be a loss of H and X means this hydrogen from the beta carbon will go and the halogen will leave. We are saying that you can see that this is a hydrogen which is at beta position. On other side also there can be hydrogen at beta position. Don't think only one. There is other carbon also. If I write this carbon, student, this is also beta carbon. This is also beta. If there is a hydrogen here, this can also go. This is here you can see there are two hydrogens which are beta here. This is example. This is a beta hydrogen. This is also a beta hydrogen. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes, sir.
this is alpha carbon, alpha. Next, adjacent to this is beta. What happens, student? What happens in this reaction? If you have a base, what a base will do? If I consider you have a base, student, base, what a base is what is a base which has a negative charge and or a lone pair of electron is present on the base. What base does, student? It abstracts the proton. Base does
Yes,
what?
sir.
Base will abstract this proton. This proton will be abstracted by the base. Then we are trying
Yes,
to
sir.
say this is negative. H plus is leaving from here. H plus is leaving, student. So what will happen? Base will take the proton, BH.
Hmm.
As soon as the base takes the proton, this electron shift here, this two electrons, and this halogen then leaves. This halogen then leaves. It is a leaving group X minus. So what is the result of that, students? If this comes on this side, what you will get? Double bond
Hmm.
BH plus X minus. ठीक है? So what has happened in this reaction?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
There is an elimination of HX. How it is done? By a base, student base. What the condition is? What is the condition for elimination? What is the condition for the elimination reaction? That there should be at least one beta hydrogen, because it is a beta hydrogen which will go. If beta hydrogen is absent, then this reaction cannot take place. ठीक है? What we are saying, there should
Yes,
be
sir.
hydrogen at the beta position, student. And more interesting thing is that if there are beta hydrogens on either side of the carbon, either side of alpha carbon, then what will happen? Two products can be obtained. Two alkenes
Yes, sir.
will be formed. This is an important point. This is where the question comes. and one will be major and there will be a minor product. How will I decide, students, what will be major and what will be minor? That is a question which is asked in the exams. The questions which will be asked in the papers is which is major and which is minor, students. And you already know we have discussed in general organic chemistry, students, which alkenes are more stable. We have discussed this in general organic chemistry. We already know that more alkylated alkenes, important point, students, more alkylated alkenes are more stable, are more stable. Why they are more stable, students? What is the reason? You already know about it. In general organic chemistry, we have discussed it. For example, if you have something like this, देखो, if you have this type of situation, and if you have this type of compound, tell me which will be more stable, this one or this one? This has how many alkyl groups? One,
Three,
two,
sir.
three.
2, 3.
This has more
Yes, sir.
alkyl groups. This will be more stable than this.
Yes, sir.
What is the reason? We have explained to this a very important electronic factor in general organic chemistry. Do you remember what was that factor? We told you about hyperconjugation.
Yes, sir.
Did we teach you hyperconjugation? Now we are using that. So if more alkenes are formed, the one which will have larger alkyl groups will be more stable. The reason is that there is a hyperconjugation between these. Here there are three hydrogens which can go with hyperconjugation with this double bond. Here there are three, total 9 possible hyperconjugated structures. Here there are only three
Hmm.
hyperconjugated structures. So more the possible hyperconjugated structure, more stable is the alkene, students. So
Yes,
this
sir.
has been experimentally done by a group of scientists, and they have given a rule for this, which is very important for the exam. What is the rule I'm talking about now? Let us see. Here, the Russian scientist student, the names are coming on the screen: Jatsev and Satzev. Jatsev, what we are saying? Jatsev and Satzev.
Huh.
What they call Jatsev and Satzev rule. This is a very important, what they said, what they are saying in dehydrohalogenation reactions.
Hmm.
This is example of dehydrohalogenation.
Nation.
Why? Because hydrogen is lost and halogen is lost. What do you mean by this? Minus
Yes,
and
sir.
X means what? Hydrogen and X is a halogen. They are lost. What they say, the preferred product is, students, the preferred product is alkene which has larger number of alkyl groups, which has greater number of alkyl groups attached. And the
Yes,
reason
sir.
also you have seen, which I have explained to you, because of hyperconjugation, because of hyperconjugation. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now the question which was given in the paper, this question was given again, is important question. Question answer very important when we discuss the lecture, students. In the exam you are getting question. They
Yes,
said
sir.
कि ब्रोमोपेंटेन, ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
reacted with alcoholic KOH.
Hmm.
Write the products.
Yes, sir.
Write the products You have to write the products and also mention which is major product and which is the minor product.
Uh,
You have 1 minute before I answer the question, students. First, we should be able to write the structure of true bromopentane. What is true bromopentane? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons.
yes, sir.
And I can say you have Br, you have H, 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 and that will put CH3. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
How many beta hydrogens are there, students, in this case? How many beta hydrogen? You have seen this carbon. This is a halogen. So this carbon is alpha. This carbon is alpha.
Mm,
This carbon is alpha, student. This is a beta carbon.
yes, sir.
This is also a beta carbon. Yes, these two.
Mm,
Clear?
yes, sir.
So can you write the two products which will be formed in this case, students, before I discuss the final answer? Very important question are coming. Last year also there was one question on beta elimination. There are few questions in that NCERT book which will be discussed by us.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can write down the products, which products are being formed, and try to answer which will be the major product, students, in this case. You see that what we are doing with you, all the students, what they are doing with me, they are understanding the concepts. And second, what they are doing, they are practicing question answers with me. Why
Yes,
we
sir.
practice question answers? Because in exam you will get questions. If I teach you and I don't do questions, then it will not be good because you won't be able to solve the questions. But if I do questions, that will give you confidence. That will give you confidence, students, confidence that you can do the answers easily in the exam. Practice is required.
Yes,
And
sir.
you will do minor mistakes, which we want to rectify, which we want to rectify here. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do it with me. Such a intelligent, such intelligent children you people are, but you don't work so hard. That is the problem.
Mm,
Okay, students. Okay, students. Let me see how will I solve this question. देखो, now where are we, students? We are here. Let me see.
yes, sir.
First, let me say that this hydrogen and this Br goes. These ones. ठीक है? This is my beta hydrogen. What will be the product? Number one, if this hydrogen and this Br leaves, what is the product, student? You are getting CH3, CH2, then here this HBr is gone. You have a double bond, students.
Mm,
Bond here. You have H and CH3. ठीक है? Is it right?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the IUPAC name of this compound, students? Every time IUPAC names are important. In the second case, I am saying this Br and this hydrogen goes this.
Mm,
What will be the in this case, what will happen? Student, you have CH2 double bond, CH, then you have CH2, CH2 and CH3. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Product 1, this is product 2. First you write the IUPAC name of the two compounds, then we will say which is the major and which is the minor product. Students, in this case,
Yes, sir.
which is a major product? Okay. Tell me. 1 or 2?
Sir, here two will be the main, two, sir, two.
This is a major product. Why?
Like on.
This is coming from 2, this is coming from 1. Now, which is,
Okay, okay, yes, sir.
which one? 1 or 2? This is my 1.
Hmm.
This is my 2. Now, the question is, which is a major product, students, here and why?
Okay, sir.
That was the question in the paper.
Yes, sir.
What is your answer, students? Which is a more stable alkene, which has more alkyl group, students? We have already defined a rule which is called Zatsef rule.
Yes, sir.
According to this, which is the more stable alkene, which is more alkylated alkene, 1 or 2?
Here, sir, it will be one, sir.
1, this will be its major.
Yes, sir.
This is
Okay,
minor
okay, okay.
product. The reason we are telling you, this comes to around 81%. Experimentally, 19%. What is the reason, student? Here you can see there is a carbon-carbon double bond. This is my hydrogen. This is my CH3. This is a hydrogen, student. This is CH2, CH3. You can see 1 and 2 alkyl groups.
Yes, sir.
How many hydrogen? 3. And how many hydrogen? 2. 3 plus 2. There will be 5 hyperconjugated structures. 5 hyperconjugations. In this
Yes,
case,
sir.
this is hydrogen, this is hydrogen. Only this alkyl group. You have only one alkyl group. And there are only 2 hydrogens.
Yes, sir.
So only two hyperconjugated structures.
Okay, okay, yes, sir, yes, sir.
So which is more stable? This one. This is more
Okay.
alkylated. This is more alkylated as per the Zatsef and Zatsef rule. Therefore, this is 81% and this is a 19%. Is an important question for the paper, students. Last year also similar type of question was given. Again, one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, note it down before we go to the next question.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Continue, please.
Done
Yes,
it?
continue. Yes, sir.
Or I can erase it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. One more question is coming, which is also very important, students. Every time we are discussing question answers which are important for the coming papers, you be careful. And students pay attention to the lectures. And if you miss anything, you can get the recorded video in the YouTube. So you can.
Sir, your voice is coming very low.
Why is it okay? It will come. Don't worry. There's no
Yes,
problem.
sir.
Is it coming low?
Yes, sir. A little bit.
But you can see that if you have any difficulty in your internet or something, but
Yes,
now
I'll try to.
internet is stable.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Fine now. You
Okay.
speak? Yes,
Okay.
sir. Fine now.
We are doing it. Second question before a student is, what is that second question? Okay, very important question, which
Uh,
are usually given in the paper. Student, what is that question? We are saying, students, what we are saying. देखो, you are given a compound CH3 CH2, ठीक है, you
yes,
have
sir.
CH2 Br, ठीक है, you are
Yes, sir.
given aqueous KOH, and you have to write the product. Then same CH3 CH2 CH2 Br, you are given alcoholic KOH, and question was write the products.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have 1 minute before I discuss this. Okay, your time ends now. What is the answer of the first question, students? Past. This is aqueous KOH, students. What you are going to get? Product CH3, CH2, CH2OH. This
Yes.
this is example of which nucleophilic substitution? This example of SN2 reaction. Tell me. We did this. Nucleophile here is OH minus. And what it is doing? You know already. SN2 reaction, students.
Yes, sir.
When I use alcoholic QH, student, what is the product? It is not the alcohol now. Alcoholic QH. What is alcoholic QH? You have C2H5OH and KOH. They will form what? They will form C2H5 minus OK plus. The two.
Yes, sir.
Product here is CH3, where you have, this is my alpha carbon, this is my beta carbon. Okay? So
Yes,
there
sir.
will be a beta elimination reaction. We just discussed what reaction I have discussed just now. Beta elimination. What is the product of the beta elimination, students? CH3 CH double bond CH2. This is an alkene. What you are getting?
Yes, sir.
Propene. Now you have to explain student why it is happening. So there are two possibilities. One is substitution, other is elimination. How many? One is substitution, which I have shown here, nucleophilic substitution.
Yes, sir.
Nucleophilic. And second is elimination. Now the question is which will happen and why? That is the question. Here I have written elimination versus substitution. Elimination versus which is going to take place, students, is very important point. If I use aqueous QH, nucleophilic substitution. If I use an alcoholic QH, elimination. Now we have to explain it. Substitution can be SN1 or SN2. And elimination is beta elimination, you are saying.
Yes, sir.
Now, how do we explain this, students? When I use aqueous KOH, the OH minus is a strong nucleophile, student. It is a strong nucleophile.
Yes, sir.
So what happens? Nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place. But when I use alcoholic KOH, students, what happens? What you get? KOH plus C2H5OH. What will be the product? We told you O. What is this formed? C2H5OH minus K plus. Now you see
Yes, sir.
this is a strong base. This is a strong base.
Hmm.
Now it is a bigger one. You can see H is a small, and this group is bigger. C2H5 is a big group, student. C2H5. This is a bulky as compared to OH minus. Yeah, H is
Yes,
small.
sir.
H is small. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This is it is difficult for it to go to the carbon. No, because carbon is crowded, because it is bulky. It is easier for
Yes,
it
sir.
to approach carbon because it is small, and therefore it acts as a base. It acts as a nucleophile. Nucleophile will attack the carbon. And what a base does, you know what is a base? Base abstracts the proton.
Yes, sir.
Base abstracts the proton, student. That is the
Yes, sir.
Now when C2H5OH will come, it will not be able to hit the carbon, but it will be easy for it to take the proton out because proton is easily available. If I see the structure of this, what I am saying, CH3, you have CH, H, C, H, Br, H. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
If O C2H5 group comes, student, it is not able to reach here, but this proton it can take. It can abstract this proton. See the proton? Because now it cannot come here, but it can easily take this. It is not crowded, and this is not crowded.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, it acts as a base. If it will remove this proton, what will happen? This will go, and this Br will leave. This Br will leave. So the result will be elimination. You got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you write it down because this question was given in the paper. How will you express yourself in the exam? What are you writing? Write down that when aqueous KOH is used, aqueous KOH is used, OH acts as a nucleophile. OH acts as a nucleophile. Therefore, nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place.
Yes, sir.
When product is alcohol. But when alcoholic KOH is added, alcoholic KOH is added, the bulky alco oxide ion, what do you call it? Alco oxide ion. Bulky alco oxide ion abstracts a proton. Okay? Because it acts as a strong base. Strong base. Hence, elimination takes place. Hence, elimination takes place. Now, I think there should be no doubt left.
Yes, no doubt.
We discussed two questions. They were asked in the paper. They are both important. If you were your permission, students, will I rub this? You have noted down everything? Your notes are
yes, sir. Yes, of course.
You will note down everything because each and every point will become a question in the paper, students, and be careful. Be careful of what we are writing.
Yes, sir.
Questions are 1 mark, and then you will be able to answer it if you have learned. If you have not learned it, you will not be able to answer the questions. Cramming is not going to help.
Okay, sir.
If you think organic chemistry is cramming, then we are out. Here I am very straight that it is learning. We must understand and learn that.
Sir, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Sir, can you hold 2 minutes, please? Hello.
Hello, we are back.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm
Oh,
back. I'm back. Yes, sir.
now, now another, we are coming to another important reaction. Everything is important. Make it sure that these are always questions and will be used. Now we are
Hmm.
coming to another important reaction, that is reaction with metals. Reaction with metals.
Hmm.
Students. देखो alkyl halides react with metals, and you know already very important Mg in the
Hmm.
presence of dry ether. Student, dry ether.
Hmm.
Product is RMgX. What is this known as, student? Very important reagent. This is called Grignard's reagent,
Yes, sir.
and this has great application and uses, which will show you in the next reactions when
Hmm.
you prepare alcohols from aldehydes and ketones. So this magnesium, these are also called organometallic compounds. Organometallic compound, metals, you know, metals lose electrons. So
Hmm.
what will be the interesting thing about this compound? If I have RMgX, student, this is positive, this is negative, and this is negative. So this it has a negative charge. Then it becomes a strong nucleophile. It's a very strong nucleophile,
Nucleophile. Yes, sir.
and it will act as a nucleophile in the preparation of alcohols from carbonyl compounds, which we will study in our next chapter.
Yes, sir.
Now the question here was that if the question was like this: CH3, CH2, CH2,
Hmm.
Br plus Mg and dry ether. Write the product, student. What product will be there? What is the product here?
Hmm.
We already know what is the product here, students.
Yes, sir.
CH3, CH2, CH2, MgBr.
Hmm.
Now the question, why dry ether is used, student? Why dry ether? What is the meaning of a dry ether? Dry means what? There is no water. No water.
Hmm.
No moisture is there. No water is there. If water is present, what will happen, students? What will happen if water is present? The Grignard reagent will react with water. This RMgX will react with water, students.
Hmm.
Therefore, water must be not be present, not present, water be
Hmm.
not present. That is why we are using dry ether. Water will react with this because it is a strong nucleophile, then it will get RH plus MgOH, students. See,
Yes, sir.
so water will react with Grignard reagent. We do not use water. This reaction is clear.
Hmm. Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Can I proceed further?
Yes, sir. Proceed.
Okay. Another important reaction we are coming in, which has been asked in the paper so many times repeatedly, student, Watts reaction.
Hmm.
There will be two more Watts reactions will be discussed, which we have already uploaded in our YouTube. You can watch them. Watts reaction, Watts fatigue reaction. These are all similar type of reactions. What we use here, that when alkyl halides are reacted with sodium in the presence of dry ether, students,
Hmm.
then the product is RR plus NaX to NaX. Now here this was R, this has become RR.
Hmm.
So
Yes,
what
sir.
has happened? This carbon number has become double, increased.
Hmm.
Whatever number was here, the number have increased. The number of double, student, double the number of carbon. You are getting double the number of carbons. What you are getting? Carbon number is double.
Hmm.
Rx goes to RR. Can you see this?
Hmm. Yes, sir.
So this is called Watts reaction, and the questions which was given is CH3 thrice CBr Na dry ether. You have to write the product, student. This question was given in the paper. You have to write the
Hmm.
product.
Yes, sir. Done, sir. Written,
What
sir.
is the answer? How do I do in the exam, student? This question was given. What is the IUPAC name of the product? Tell me how we have done. I do it like this
Hmm.
because I will put like this. You have dry ether,
Hmm.
and then I will remove this group, student. And this carbon and this carbon will join. But you are getting then CH3, 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 CH3.
Hmm.
What is the IUPAC name of this compound, students? What is the IUPAC?
Hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, sir.
So what is that? 2, 2, 3, 3.
Hmm.
Tetramethyl.
Hmm.
How many carbons? 4.
Hmm.
Butane.
Yes, sir.
So these are examples of the Watts reaction which we have.
Hmm.
Now we are coming to the reactions of haloarenes. Reactions of haloarenes, student.
Hmm.
Haloarenes are those in which halogen is attached to arene system. Arene system means benzene system, aromatic system.
Hmm.
You are saying X, this compound. Supposing we say in the paper,
Hmm.
this is my chlorobenzene, NaH, aqueous. What is the product, student, if this question is given? What will be the product, student, in such cases?
Yes, sir.
What product you are gaining? What is the product formed here? We already know this reaction. What was the product? What product you are getting here?
Hmm.
What product you will get here? This reaction will not take place. No reaction. That's why I have given it, student.
Why, sir?
You already know the answer, but again I will explain. This is an important question, student, for the paper. Important question. This question has been asked many times, have been done many times with you. This when Cl is to the benzene, student, this bond is not easy to break. But when CH3Cl is attached to this, Cl is attached to alkyl group, R group, it is very easy to remove.
Yes, sir.
Aryl halides are extremely less reactive. Question. What is the question? Aryl halides are extremely, I am saying, less reactive.
Yes, sir.
towards nucleophilic substitution.
Hmm.
Then alkyl halides.
Yes, sir.
Why? That is the question. These are aryl halides, no reaction. Alkyl halides react. Under ordinary condition, no reaction. Why? What answer you are giving now? You have 1 minute only. You have done this question many times. I said this is a very important question. This has been asked so many times. Again, it will come.
Hmm.
What answer you are giving, students? What is the difference when Cl is attached to benzene ring? What happens? What is the difference between this and this? What is the difference? This carbon is sp3. This carbon is, what is the hybridization? sp2.
Hmm.
sp2 bond is shorter than sp3. You should know that. Already you know. Second, what happens? There is a resonance here. You have been shown so many times.
Yes, sir.
Because of the resonance, which effect is this? Plus R.
Okay.
That this CCl bond becomes partial double bond character.
Hmm.
This CCl bond has CCl bond in haloarine. In haloarine has partial double bond character.
Hmm.
Then what will happen? It will become more stable, more difficult to break.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, it does not undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction under ordinary condition. Student, ordinary condition में ये reaction नहीं हो सकती. तो जो reaction ordinary condition में नहीं होती, उसको हम क्या करते हैं? Vigorous conditions. Such reaction are only possible under strong and vigorous conditions. यहाँ पे मैंने कोई भी condition नहीं लिखी थी. Therefore, this reaction will only be possible under strong and vigorous conditions. These reactions only take place under strong and vigorous conditions.
Hmm.
Because of the two reasons. This question has been asked in the paper. You may note it down. You may note it down. Very important. इसको नोट करें.
Yes, sir.
अब इसको फिर भूलना नहीं है. ये important है. कितनी बार we have discussed so many times this question.
Yes, sir.
अब क्वेश्चन ये है कि कन्वर्ट क्लोरोबेंजीन इनटू फिनोल. ये क्वेश्चन है पेपर में. क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट. कन्वर्ट chlorobenzene into phenol. This is important question asked so many times. Under ordinary condition, this reaction is not possible. Therefore, we use high temperature and pressure, as you can see in this case.
Yes, sir.
Chlorobenzene, NaOH. What is the temperature? Tell me, what is the temperature? Kitna? How much temperature is written here?
Sir, 623.
Huh?
Sir, 623.
What is the pressure?
380 atm, sir.
Then two step, first step and second step, we add H plus. So we can convert chlorobenzene into phenol at under vigorous and strong condition. High temperature is there. 300 is a very high pressure. And high temperature is there. Boiling point of water, you know, is how much? 373. This is 623 Kelvin. Only under strong condition, this reaction takes place. And chlorine is converted into phenol is an important question for the paper students. This is called Dawes process. You may note down this conversion also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, note it down. Then I will proceed further. हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here interesting thing is happening. What interesting thing is happening? Chlorobenzene, you need very high temperature to convert phenol. But if we attach student nitro groups at ortho and para positions, the nucleophilic substitution reaction becomes faster.
Yes, sir.
Is facilitated, student, is facilitated. Here, one nitro group at para position, temperature less. Pressure we have not mentioned. Two nitro groups, this is ortho and this is para. You know, ortho and para. Temperature still.
Yes, sir.
And if I put three nitro groups and ortho, just warm with water and reaction takes place. Warm with water and reaction takes place, students. So attachment of nitro groups and ortho and para position facilitates the make the reaction faster. Why? The question is why? Why, students? Because what is the answer for this question? When nitro groups are attached at ortho and nucleophilic substance become faster. Explain. Okay? Explain. What answer you are giving? What answer you are giving, students? These are examples of nucleophilic substitution reaction.
Okay.
And the attacking reagent is nucleophile OH minus. And when OH minus will attach, what will happen? The reaction proceeds through formation of an intermediate. What intermediate is there? Carbon ion. Carbon ion. What is carbon ion, student? Carbon carrying a negative charge. Carbon ion means carbon carrying a negative charge. Yeah? When carbon has a negative charge, that is a carbon ion. Nitro group will do what? NO2 groups, when attached at ortho and para positions, they are strongly electron withdrawing groups. They are strongly electron withdrawing group. We have to write in the exam, student.
Yes, sir.
Strongly electron withdrawing groups due to resonance. Due to students' resonance. Which effect is this? Minus R. They withdraw the electron through resonance. Therefore, stabilize the carbon ion. Because if you withdraw the negative charge, it will become more stable. And if it will become more stable, student, what will happen? The reaction will become faster. The speed of the reaction will become faster. Therefore, if you attach three nitro groups, you can see simply you add water, the reaction is very fast, it takes place. And if there are no nitro groups, then you are seeing how much? 673 Kelvin, 300 atmospheric pressure. So very strong and vigorous condition. Therefore, this question has been given in the paper, student. Very important question. I hope you have answered this question and you have any doubt. Only when nitro
No doubt.
attached to ortho and para, they will be stabilizing the carbon ion by minus Ri effect, resonance effect. Therefore, the reaction will become faster. The reaction will become faster. But if NO2 is present at meta position, what happens then? It does not stabilize. It does not stabilize carbon ion because no resonance
Yes, sir.
takes place, and therefore no effect on reactivity is observed. No effect on reactivity is observed. Important question, student. Note down what point I have noted. This was a very important question which we discussed in the reactions. Nucleophilic substitution reactions we have discussed. Elimination reaction we have discussed. And reaction of haloarenes we have discussed. Nucleophilic substitution. Under what conditions they will take place. And we have also discussed very important question of substitution versus elimination. Do you have any doubts? Do you have any doubts here?
No, sir.
Okay, then note down everything, and we hope we'll meet you in our next class. Thank you very much for interacting and be able to do a lot of good practice and answering questions. Making attempts to answer question is very important. We are learning chemistry. We are decoding the entire NCERT books so that we can do a lot of questions which will be helpful for us in solving,
Hmm.
and by this way we could be scoring 100 out of 100 mark. Students, I thank you very much. Meet you in my next class. You can please share and subscribe our videos to your friends so that during this lockdown period they can also learn and take benefit of the free video lectures which are coming in the YouTube. So
Yes, sir.
we'll meet you in our next class.
Okay, sir.
Good night.